Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you a very famous dish in the Arab world, especially in Jordan. It's a Jordanian dish. It's very delicious, very strong, and with a lot of calories. So if you are in a diet, I must warn you, do not watch this video. But before we start, please subscribe. First, let's see the three main ingredients of MANSAF. First, we have jamid, and we talked about jamid before. It's a yogurt, a hard yogurt. The second ingredient is the lamb meat. And the third ingredient is ghee butter. And now let's go and see how to make mansaf. First we're gonna cut or break down the jamid because it's very hard and soak it in a warm water. Some of the jamid might come soft, so there is no need to soak it a long time in water. For those who lives in non-Arab countries, you can find jamid in liquid in Arab grocery stores or Middle Eastern grocery stores. Just go and ask for jamid. Then we gonna have to clean the lamb meat. The lamb meat must come with the bones and some fats on it. You can use a different meats in mansaf, but mansaf means lamb meat. It's delicious and soft meat. First we're gonna rinse the meat. After that we're gonna replace it in a pot with a hot boiling water, and we're gonna boil it for around 5 minutes. After boiling, we're gonna dump the water out and wash the meat with a hot water. After that, we're gonna take the jamid and put it in a blender with some water and mix it up. Make sure that add enough water because we're gonna cook the meat with the yogurt, not with the water. In a pot over a stove, we're gonna put some ghee butter and add a chopped onion on it. After 2 or 3 minutes, we're gonna add the meat and mix it up with the onion and the butter. Around 5 minutes, we gonna add the yogurt over it and leave it cooking on the stove. That's gonna take around 1 hour and a half to 2 hours. Depend the kind of meat you use and the quantity you have. We're gonna put some grain of cardamom on it and cover the pot. To make the rice, we're gonna need 2 cups of rice rinsed and soaked on water for around 30 minutes. In another pot, we're gonna add some ghee butter and we're gonna fry some almonds that we're gonna use later on. Then we're gonna add the rice and mix it up a little bit. Put a half spoon of curcuma, some salt, and the water. Remember that the highest of water must be 2 centimeters over the rice, and we cook it. After the rice absorbs the water, we turn the heat down and leave it for around 20 to 25 minutes. And now let's see how to put the dishes. First we have shrak. This pan, it's a very thin pan. We put it on a tray. Then we add some yogurt on it. After that we put the rice. Again we put some yogurt on it. Then we put the meat over the rice and add some yogurt on it too. Finally, we add the almonds. And this is the final look to our dish for today, MANSAF. So, if you don't have a lamb meat, you can use another kind of meat. If you don't have a ghee butter, you can use the margarine. And the yogurt, the hard yogurt, you gonna find it in an Arab grocery store. The secrets of this meal is how to cook the meat. If you cook it on the water, it's not gonna taste good and it's gonna take longer time. But if you cook it in the yogurt, it's gonna take less time to cook and the taste of it will be marvelous. This is all for today, my friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.